everyone. Welcome to my channel Maths Friendly. In today's class, we will do question number 1 from exercise 1.3 of first chapter Knowing Our Numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT Book. Now let us read the question. Estimate each of the following using general rule. We have to estimate each of these using the general rule. So let us start with A. Question number A. This is 730 plus 998. So both these numbers are in hundreds, ones, tens and hundreds, ones, tens and hundreds. So we will round off these two numbers to hundreds place and then we will add the rounded off numbers. The sum of that rounded off numbers will give the estimated sum of these two numbers. So let us start the solution. So rounding off to, this is the general rule, rounding off to hundreds, ones, tens and hundreds. Both are in hundreds. So we will round off to hundreds. So 730 will round off to 730 rounds off to how much? See, 700 lies between 700 and 800. But 730 is much closer to 700 when compared to 800. So 730 will be rounded off to 700. So 730 rounds off to 700 and 998 rounds off to how much? See, this number lies between 900 and 1000, right? The middle number is 950. This 999 is much closer to 1000. So this 999 will be rounded off to 1000. Okay, because the middle number is this and this is closer to this number. It is not closer, this 999 is not closer to 900, it is closer to 1000. So this will be rounded off to 1000. So 998 rounds off to 1000. Now what will be the estimated sum? See, estimated sum is equal to, we have to add these two. So what we will do? See, 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, again 7 plus 0 is 7 and this 1. So it is 1700. So the estimated sum is 1700. So using the general rule we have estimated this sum and this is the answer. Now let us come to the B part. What is there in the B part? 796 minus 314. So in the A part it was plus, so we did estimated sum. Sum means to add, so we did estimated sum because there was plus in between the two numbers. Here it is minus sign. So what we will do? We will find the estimated difference because we have to estimate each of the following using general rule. Again, the number is ones, tens and hundreds. Both the numbers are up to hundreds place, ones, tens and hundreds. So we have to round off till hundreds place. To hundreds place we have to round off. This is the general rule. So rounding off to hundreds. Now 796, it lies between 700 and 800. Okay, but it is very closer to 800. So it will be rounded off to 800. Okay, so 796 rounds off to 800. Now 314 lies between which two hundreds? It lies between 300 and 400. Okay, between these two hundreds the 314 lies. So we have to estimate either to this or to this. Then we have to see it is closer to which number. Is it closer to 300 or it is closer to 400? It is closer to 300 because the middle number for 300 and 400 is 350, right? And this 314 comes before 350. So it is much closer to 300. So 314 will be rounded off to 300. So 314 rounds off to 300. Now there is minus sign in between these two numbers, so we have to find the difference. We have to subtract the numbers. We have to find the estimated difference. What we have to do? We have to do subtraction. Estimated difference we have to find. What we did? We rounded off these numbers. First, this is rounded off to this is rounded off to this. And after rounding off, we did the subtraction. We subtracted the rounded off numbers. So estimated difference is equal to, now we have to subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. This is 8 minus 3 is 5. So the estimated difference is 5. So this way we estimate this question. Okay, this is the estimated difference and we have got the answer. Now, let us come to C part. What is there? 12,000. See, in this 12,904 plus 2,888. Okay, so both these numbers are in thousands. This is 12,904 and this is 2,888. Both are in thousands. Both these numbers are in thousands. So we will round off both these numbers to thousands and then we will find the estimated sum of the rounded off numbers. Okay, so we will round off to thousands. Rounding off to thousands because both the numbers are in thousands, means the greatest place is thousands. So we will round off both the numbers to thousands. This is the general rule. So what this will be? This will be rounded off to, see, this 12,904. It lies between 13,000 and, sorry, it lies between 12,000 and 13,000. Okay, but it is much closer to 13,000 because it is 12,904. It is closer to 13,000 when compared to 12,000. It is this number is much farther from 12,000 and this number is closer to 13,000. So it will be rounded off to 13,000. Okay. So 12,904 rounds off to 13,000 and this 2,888 this lies between 2,000 and 3,000 but it is closer to 3,000. Okay, see, this is 2,000 and this is 3,000. This number 2,888 is between these two numbers, but this is closer to 3,000. So this number will be rounded off to 3,000. So 2,888 rounds off to 3,000. And what is there in between? In between there is plus sign. So we have to find the estimated sum. We rounded off both these numbers. And now we will add the rounded off numbers. These rounded off numbers will be added. Okay, so what will be the estimated sum? Estimated sum is equal to, we have to add these two numbers. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is again 0, 3 plus 3 is 6 and this is 1. So it is 16,000. Okay, so the estimated sum is 16,000. When we add these two numbers, when we find the estimation of this, the estimated sum is 16,000. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let us do question number D. What is there? 28,292 minus 21,496. So we have to estimate this using the general rule. See, both these numbers are in thousands. This is 28,292 and this is 21,496. So we will round off both these numbers to thousands place. So rounding off to thousands. Rounding off to thousands because both these numbers are in thousands. Rounding off to thousands. So this 28,292 will be rounded off to, see, this lies between 28,000 and 29,000. Okay, and just in between 28,000 and 29,000, which is the number 28,500. Okay, but this number is smaller than the middle number, so it is closer to 28,000 because see, the middle number is 28,500 is the middle number. This is 28,000, this is 28,500, the middle number, and this is 29,000. This number lies between these two numbers, but this number is less than the middle number. It means it is closer to 28,000. So this will be rounded off to 28,000 because it is closer to 28,000. If it is closer to 29,000, then it would be rounded off to 29,000. But this number is closer to 28,000, so it will be rounded off to 28,000 because it is less than the middle number. This number comes here in between these two, so it is closer to 28,000. So 28,292 rounds off to 28,000. Okay, now it is 21,496. This number lies between 21,000 and 22,000. Okay, what is the middle number? See, this number lies between 21,000 and 22,000. But what is the middle number for this? In between these two, what is the number? The number is 21,500. Okay, and this 21,496 is less than the middle number. It means it is closer to 21,000. Okay, this number is less than the middle number. It is closer to 21,000. So this number will be rounded off to 21,000. So 21,496 rounds off to 21,000. So now what we have to do, there is minus sign in between. So we have to find the estimated difference. When we do difference, when there is the subtraction sign, we find the estimated difference. Difference means to subtract. So estimated difference we will find. Estimated difference between these two numbers. So what we did, we rounded off this number. This rounds off to this and this rounds off to this. After rounding off both the numbers, we will subtract. We will find the estimated difference. After rounding off both the numbers, we will subtract them and we will find the estimated difference. So what is that estimated difference? We will subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 1 is 7, 2 minus 2 is 0. So it is 7,000. What is the estimated difference? The estimated difference is 7,000. So we have estimated this using the general rule and we got the answer 7,000. Okay, so understood this? If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos. In the next class, we will do question number 2 of this exercise 1.3. Till then, take care. Bye.